Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll check out a device that can transform regular monitors, LCD video walls, and LED displays into a digital signage display unit, which supports multiple media types, including audio, video, image, time, weather, and more. Not only that, but it also allows users to create a scheduling plan for various media content and so much more. Introducing the Dahua Media Player Box. Here's the product box with its basic information here. Let's open it up. This package includes a quick start guide, the legal and regulatory information booklet, the media player box, a power adapter, a mounting bracket with screws, a Wi-Fi antenna, and a remote control. Here is the media player box based on the Android system. It features a lightweight industrial design and boasts an abundant interface. Looking at the back of the box, we can see that it supports HDMI for quick setup to your monitor. The USB port allows you to interact with the device directly with a mouse or upload your media content to the box for local release, turning your simple monitor into a full-fledged digital signage unit. The Dahua Media Player Box can connect to the MPS platform via Wi-Fi or LAN cable. The MPS platform expands your customizable options, such as template designs that support images, videos, live IPC streaming, time, weather, and so much more. Let me show you what I mean. Here you can see I have a regular monitor. On this USB, I have various media content I'd like to display on my monitor. Everything is all powered up. All I need to do is connect the media player box to the monitor with an HDMI cable. Just like that, I'm ready to set up the device. The remote control is helpful when powering on or off the device and adjusting the volume. While you can configure the box using the remote, it's recommended that you use a mouse for the initial setup. I'll skip over that for now. What I want to show you is how you can use the box for local materials. Here we are, local release. As you can see, there are some pre-made templates ready to go, or you can customize the templates. Let's add the content, and voila! This was so simple. The Dahua Media Player Box is equipped with a strong 4-core processor that provides powerful decoding capabilities. As I said earlier, it supports live feed streaming with 1 channel at 4K or 4 channel at 1080p. But wait, there's more. The network release section utilizes the Dahua MPS platform, which provides unified remote management for system integrators and media operators. It also allows you to access more options to create your ideal digital signage, including various play modes and customizable display schedules. Overall, the Dahua Media Player Box is a compact device with loads of features. Providing an alternative to LCD digital signage displays, the Media Player Box can convert your monitor into a professional digital signage unit, ideal for banks, supermarkets, hotel lobbies, cinemas, hospitals, schools, and other commercial display scenes looking to upgrade their in-store advertising methods and maximize business value. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.